Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing one of my favorite Valentine's Day dinner slash meal slash date night food, and that is my creamy ravioli with bacon, peas, and lemon zest. All that mixed together makes these wonderful flavors. This meal is actually a less than 20-minute meal. So it's fast, it's quick, and it's just so luscious and very, very special. And what I love about this is that it's semi-homemade. So literally you don't have to be worrying about making a ravioli for 1 hour. You can just go ahead, buy it from your favorite brands, and that's it. I'm gonna be showing you how to make this quick sauce, under 15 to 20 minute sauce, guys, and you have yourself a beautiful Valentine's Day dinner that you can pair it off with a little bit of white wine, with champagne. Y'all know what to do. So let's get rolling. Let's gather up all of our ingredients. Everything is already cut and literally just ready to go. We're gonna actually start off with making this a simple and easy quick sauce. For this, we're going to need to turn on the stovetop to a medium-high heat, and in a large skillet, just add in your bacon pieces. Now, as you see, these bacon pieces are cut bite-sized, and we're just gonna literally saute them until they get nice and crisp. For this recipe, I am using bacon, but you can definitely use prosciutto. Now, this bacon was a little fatty, so the only thing I'm doing is taking any excess fat off with my spoon and leaving 2 tablespoons in there. Now let's add in our chopped onions, our finely chopped garlic, and lastly, we're going to be adding our frozen peas. Saute this for a couple of seconds, and now we're going to be adding in our luscious heavy cream to make the actual sauce. At this point, please turn down your stovetop to a medium heat. We had it at a medium-high heat, and we're just turning it just down 1 knob and adding our white pepper. This really makes the dish the fresh nutmeg. And if you want, at this point, just stir everything together, get those flavors simmering away, and now you can add salt. I would suggest taste as you go. If it needs more pepper, if it needs more salt, just go ahead and do it at this point. Simmer the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes, but just a hint, please don't over salt it, as the bacon is already salty and the Parmesan cheese is a bit nutty and salty. Now we're adding in 1/4 cup of this beautiful Parmesan cheese and literally just mix everything together. Let's turn off the stovetop once the sauce is done, set it aside for now, and let's get started with the ravioli. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Now, I do love, heavy seasoning this with salt, kind of like an ocean water bath, and let's add in the ravioli of your choice. Cook your ravioli as your package states and let it just come up to a boil once everything is set to go. What we want to do is, the most important thing here is reserving 1/2 cup of that beautiful pasta water. And this is really going to make the sauce just brighten up again and get very silky and velvety. Turn your stovetop back to a medium-low heat and add in your 1/2 cup of pasta water and mix everything until smooth and luscious. And now that our sauce is thriving again, add in your ravioli of choice and be very careful when you're mixing and stirring this, because at this point the ravioli is tender and very delicate. I hope you enjoy this dish. Oh my goodness, guys, look how creamy this is. Now for my favorite part, and that is the plating of this beautiful, creamy, quick ravioli. I'm adding in fresh basil. You can do julienne, you can do chopped basil, but please let it be fresh. Now we're going to be adding my favorite, a little bit of lemon zest. If you don't have lemon, you can always use lime. Just use whatever you have available. Most importantly, this is just gonna bring that brightness to this beautiful dish. And lastly, we're gonna be adding in our Parmesan cheese on top. please be generous with this cheese because it is just, you know, a treat yourself meal. So why not go for cheesiness and creaminess and just beautifulness? Check out this dish, guys. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big like, a big share, and a big subscribe. And as you should know by now, in that link down below, I have the exact preparations, ingredients that you can make this under 15 to 20 minute meal. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day or a wonderful date night, and tag me and DM me in your creations. I will see you next week. Ciao.